Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video we're going for a nighttime POV drive in my Ford Fiesta ST2. Now the reason for this, we have not gone for a POV drive at nighttime yet, and we've got some new modifications on the car since we last did a POV drive, like the Miltek non-resonated race exhaust system, and we now have some beautiful LED bulbs in the headlights, so this should look sick at nighttime. So without further ado, let's hop in the car and go for a drive. Okay, let's get this car started. Okay, so we are now down an empty country lane, and I'll only go from a standstill, but we'll get some nice blow-off noises. Oh, this car, what a big pothole. This car genuinely feels so quick. I'm not even joking. That exhaust has definitely taken away for it. It's definitely made it quicker, 100,000,000%. It feels more alive with that induction kit and the exhaust on. And I'm going to say this, if you've seen my Instagram, you guys would already know this, but stage 1 got delivered, and yeah, that's going to be going on the car ASAP. That may even be the next video if we get it on, and yeah, I'm so excited for that. A bit more of an increase in power from what was already a very quick car, so yeah, looking forward to that, and that will be the next video probably of us putting the stage 1 map on it. And I've got other interior mods, I've got loads of stuff coming for the car which I'm gassed about. Oh man, it's so lively, this car. Let me turn right here. Oh, the gearbox. That's another thing I forgot to mention. There is a short shifter on this. That was the first thing we did to it, was put a short shifter on this car. So the gear changes are so crisp. They're so nice. What's nice about going out this time is the roads are just dead. I mean, there's no one around. You can really get a nice sense of the blow-off noise. I mean, that's mental. I love that. I love that. This induction kit is insane. I got the induction kit and the Miltek exhaust off of AET Motorsport. Their links will be down below, and you can use my code joshb5 to get 5% off at checkout. It's so worth it if you have a Fiesta, and they do loads of other mods for other different cars as well, but this car, that noise is sick. My brakes are the most squeaky brakes on any car, honestly. It's actually getting to the point now it's embarrassing. I've had brand new discs and pads on all 4 corners, and the brakes, they were bad before, and they're just, I've had them on for a little bit now, and they're just still so squeaky. Let's go down here. Let's go down the high street. Put the window down. Oh, you hear them brakes? Listen to that. That's no joke. Oh, sounds so good. That's so loud from the outside as well. Gee, just give it a little tap on the throttle and it's like a toe. Oh mate, that sounds sick. Thank you. Lots of police down here. Bloody hell. Little first gear pull, just to let the police know, you know, I'm here. Please don't come after me though. Right, let's do a little pull up this dual carriageway. Windows down so you guys can hear all of it. Windows up. Oh, that gear change is so quick. That's not flat shifting, by the way, because I know that's not good for the car. But let's go. That's crazy. I can literally hear the intake then, literally sucking in the air. That was mental when I was full throttle then. I want you guys to let me know what modifications you want to see on the Fiesta next. Is it interior, exterior? You know what we're doing next. We're doing stage 1, but after the stage 1, what do you want to hear? Do you want to get the exhaust louder? Do you want to do some exterior mods? Start getting splitters, all of this stuff on. What do you guys want to see next? I'm interested. Let me know down below, because I've got a pretty big list, and I'm slowly ticking through them. Oh, that exhaust is so much better. It's really got a grumble now. Yes, the exhaust is in its loud mode. I think as the exhaust is pretty new still, so as that wears in, as it heats up, it definitely gets a bit louder. Oh, that second gear now, that second gear pull. That's another thing I just realised, lowering springs. Is lowering springs get this thing looking a bit nicer on a stance. Oh. What a machine. That added intake noise as well, of it sucking in the air, adds to the drama. It sounds so good. But yeah, everyone, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, like I say, stage 1 coming soon. Then we'll be out again doing another POV when we got stage 1, and then we'll be able to compare the differences as well. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. The new LED lights there at the front, which are looking sick, and yeah, the new exhaust and intake as well, also sounding good. And yeah, leave me a comment down below of what modification you want to see after we do stage 1. Let me know what you think, and